Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology for your MBBS exams. First, build a strong foundation by understanding drug classifications and their mechanisms of action. Focus on prototype drugs as they represent entire classes. Pay close attention to common side effects and adverse reactions, which are frequently tested. Prioritizing high-yield topics will streamline your study efforts and maximize your exam performance. To master pharmacology, employ effective study techniques. Visual aids like flowcharts and diagrams can simplify complex drug pathways. Develop mnemonics for challenging drug names and their properties to aid memorization. Active recall, using flashcards or spaced repetition, significantly boosts retention. Integrating clinical scenarios helps you apply theoretical knowledge, making it more relevant and easier to remember for your exams. For long-term memorization and retention, consistent review is key. Regularly revisit topics to solidify your understanding. Try to connect new drugs and concepts to what you already know, building a comprehensive knowledge network. Explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner can highlight areas needing more attention. Finally, utilize question banks extensively to test your knowledge and identify weak points. As you approach your exams, focus on targeted preparation. Practice answering multiple-choice questions under timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Review past exam papers to identify recurring themes and question styles. Pay special attention to drug interactions and contraindications, as these are critical for patient safety and often appear on exams. Remember to get adequate rest before your examination day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.